So let's go create a prescription. You just click on Create RX to start your prescription. You can, like I mentioned earlier, have EasyRx integrated with one of our practice management integration partners. This will launch EasyRx to the Universal Lab prescription form and autofill a lot of this information. So this is the EasyRx Universal Lab prescription form. In the upper left is where you will select where you are submitting this case, whether it be to a commercial lab, in-house lab, or treatment planning portal. As a practice, you can connect to any EasyRx connected lab, and you do that from the lab option at the top right side of the screen. For this example, I'm going to submit a case to the W lab. I don't have a practice management integration set up, so I will fill out the patient's information. The patient may already be in there. You select the date you need the case back by. The green around 19 indicates the soonest the W lab can get the case back to your practice, so you can't ask for a case sooner than the lab can produce it. You can select doctor, office location, which location the case needs to be shipped to, who took the scan, and who submitted the case. Then click Create to create the prescription. EasyRx has a universal library of parts, appliances, and templates. This includes over 700 different parts used to create appliances. For example, I can click RPE, and here are all of the RPE designs in EasyRx. You can click to add the RPE to the prescription. That works great day to day, but what EasyRx users really enjoy is the ability to create custom templates, making it even more efficient. So templates would be what you would do most often, and templates are assigned by lab. Here are the templates that I submit to the W lab. I'm going to select a Holly for this prescription, and it is the way that the office likes their Holly, so the staff doesn't have to ask the doctor how they want it. You may make some refinements if you need to. Hollies have acrylic, so the lab can create color charts of the colors they offer. This also applies for your in-house lab. Right at the chair, you can bring up the color chart and allow the patient to select their color, and it goes right on the prescription. As needed, labs can add additional part options, so I'm going to pick an alternate bow and wire gauge. You can type special instructions or comments to the lab, and if you find you type the same comments often, you can save the comment in Easy Comments, so you can easily click to add a comment. I'm going to scroll down to Model Source. This is going to indicate to the lab how you are getting the model to them. If you have done a plaster model or impression, you would select this and send the plaster model to the lab. You can select Use the digital model attached to the script and upload a digital file directly to the prescription. Or use the digital model attached to the patient file. If you are using an iTero scanner, you can type in the case order ID. If you don't know the case order ID, you can look up and insert, find the patient, and attach the scan. This will attach the open shell upper and lower STL to this prescription. You don't have to wait for it to attach. You can go ahead and sign and submit the case. Once you sign and submit, the prescription has now been submitted to the W lab. Moving back to the dashboard, you can see here is Kemsey's case that I submitted to the W lab. So you know that case has been submitted.